The Path Divine, a brief life of Thakur Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya. ভজ নিতাই চৈতন্য কহ নিতাই চৈতন্য লহ নিতাই চৈতন্যের নাম রে যে জন নিতাই চৈতন্য ভজে সে হয় আমার প্রাণ রে The time was 10 p.m. 24th of Bhadra 1343 of the Bengali era. The place was Churulia village in the district of Burdwan. The second son was born to the most pious disciple Dr. Govindo Misra and his virtuous wife Krishna Kamini Devi. With more than 12 holy signs like conch, that is Shankha, wheel, that is Chakra, lotus, that is Padma, flag, that is Dhaja, and the like. It all happened during the Harinam Sankirtan, that is singing in praise of Lord, in their house, in the presence of 12 monks and their chanting of divine hymns. This is our Guru, deity of our worship, our God, Premavadanya Paramahansa Thakur Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya. The great and austere devotee Sri Sri Jagannath Sadhu had already foretold in a congregation of followers his desire to be born soon at Churulia as the second son of Dr. Govindo Misra in a condition mentioned above before taking his departure to the celestial abode of God, that is Vaikuntha Dham, at 10 p.m. on 7th of Magha 1339. After coming back from Vrindavan Dham in 1342, Dr. Govinda Misra and Ma Krishna Kamini Devi were informed in a dream that a great man would be born as their son. Mother Krishna Kamini Devi came to know in her dream that though two sons would be visible to their mother, Nar's mother Dhatri Mata and their aunt Pishi Mata, they would be interwoven to turn into a single one, and he would in future leave home following the path of sannyas. At birth, Mahanta Maharaj named him Nitai Chaitanya. His father Govinda Misra gave him the name of Jaydev, and Ma Krishna Kamini Devi called him Ananta. Before he left home, Ma Krishna Kamini Devi addressed him as Premavadanya. Some days after he left home, he went to Vrindavan according to the desire of his Guru at Mayapur, Vaishnav Sannyasi Kula, Tilak Bhakti Advaita, Srila Madhav Goswami Maharaj. He stayed there for about 4 years. At Radhakund of Vrindavan, the Vaishnav monks assembled to acknowledge him as Paramahansa and adore him as Vaishnav Tilak. They requested him to propagate Sri Sri Harinam and his glory to whole India and the world as well, keeping the Gauramandal in the center and to rescue the inhabitants of the universe afflicted with sorrows and sufferings. Consequent upon the prayer of the Vaishnav monks, he came back and established the Paramangan Dham on top of a mound close to Shivpur in the district of Burdwan, where he showed his Gambhira Lila for 7 years. In 1385, on the auspicious day of Ratha Yatra, he came down from the hill according to the enthusiasm of so many of his devotees, monks, Vaishnavas and common people. It was from that time that he engaged himself in different places to preach Sri Sri Harinam. Thereafter, in 1386, on the sacred day of Basanti Purnima, he founded Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya Math at Bograchoti on GT Road, at the crossing of Chapui Road between Asansol and Raniganj in the district of Burdwan. Apart from this math, he also established some other maths such as at Shaka in Purulia district, at Radhajot Neurangia in Darjeeling district, at Joydev Kenduli, Tikorbeta in Birbhum district and at Bahadurpur in Bardwan district. Every year, some special occasions like the 24th Bhadra Utsav, which is recognized as Thakur Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya Paramahanshadev Abirbhav Tithi, Rasha Utsav, Sri Sri Nityananda Abirbhav Tithi, Guru Purnima, etc., are regularly observed in all these motts with gaiety and grandeur in the presence of thousands of devotees. Our Prabhu used to describe himself as a humble servant of Sri Sri Nityananda Nitai and Chaitanya Gaur, though all his innumerable disciples and followers throughout India firmly believe him to be the combined incarnation of both of them. Moved by the torments of common people, common human soul, he went from door to door, inspiring them to utter his name, to sing his sacred hymns, Harinam Sankirtan. His disciples look upon him as God, far superior to a simple incarnation, and feel grateful, offering themselves at his feet. There are many authentic religious books and documents containing pre-birth portrayal of his childhood and boyhood, divine activities of his present life, and many incidents of his life of austere ascetic practice, that is, sadhana, that go to prove that he was part of God, an incarnation of united embodiment of Sri Sri Nityananda and Chaitanya. Interested readers may get these books if needed. Let us chant in chorus at least once the name of Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya to have peace in our worried life. Joy Thakur Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya, Joy Thakur, Joy Guru. Manifestation of Sri Sri Thakur. পূর্ব জনম পূর্বাশ্রম সন্ধানী নিয় ভাই, বড়ই গুপ্ত এক দেহে এবে চৈতন্য নিতাই, নীলাচলে ঠাঁই পেল না নিতাই, তাই এবে এক দেহে পরমাঙ্গনে প্রেমরঙ্গনে খেলে দুয়ে বড় স্নেহে, বড়ই গুপ্ত নিত্যানন্দ কহে দাস বৃন্দাবন, শ্রী চৈতন্য তাহারে জানান যেই তার নিজজন। Which in translation reads like this: Let yourself be informed of the previous birth and former heritage. It is a wonderful secret that Chaitanya and Nityananda are now mingled into one form. Nityananda could have no place in Nilachal, so this time in one figure and soul with Chaitanya. At Paramangan Dham, both are busy in love dalliance amidst great affection. This great secret is revealed to one who is absolutely his own. The profound wisdom and extraordinary genius of Thakur started manifesting since his very childhood. His father admitted him to the village Pathshala, though he did not attend school-going age at that time. Here he learned Islam from Zahirul Haq, one of the teachers of the school, and practiced namaz, that is prayer to Allah. At the age of 7 only, he visited the Dargah of Pir Pahla, sat there praying, and got lost in Samadhi. By the solemn grace of Hazrat, he could meet the most merciful Allah and experience the Brahma Jyoti. Since childhood, Kali Mata is cradling him in her lap still today. Before he attained the age of 10, he memorized books like Srimad Bhagavat, Prema Bhakti Chandrika, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, Bhakti Tattva Sar, and many other books. At 14, when he was just a student of class 8, he assisted an examinee of the University of Calcutta in teaching him for a long time and preparing him for the masters. Thakur Sri Sri Satyananda Maharaj at Shivdi Ramakrishna Math told this young monk with pleasure when he first saw him, "It is all ready for you. The path has been laid. Your Guru is waiting by the Ganges to initiate you. You will meet him if you desire to meet when it will be time. Wherever you be, he will get my favor at any time." Sri Sri Onukul Thakur summoned him from among his great number of followers and said, "You have the same path as mine." Manohar Khapa of Hajari Bagh said, "Me too is seeking for that love like you." Sri Sri Sitaram Das Omkarnath Thakur, while staying at Beludi of Bardwan district, said in an intimate gathering of apostles, "A supremely powerful young sannyasi is staying at the nearby hills. Each of his limbs articulates the holy name of Krishna. His touch makes even a little plant speak for Krishna." The disciples, as they came to know about the identity of Sri Sri Thakur, pleaded to have a glimpse of Prabhu. They took a taxi at about 1 a.m. to reach the hills at Shivpur and felt obliged to submit themselves at his feet. While staying at Paramangan Dham, Sri Sri Thakur wrote the Krishna Naam on a piece of paper and sent it along with a dhuti and some basil leaves smeared with sandal paste to Sri Sri Kunjodas Babaji Maharaj of Dahopada, Mahanam Math, through the medium of Makhon Sarkar of Murshidabad. Sri Sri Kunjodas Babaji Maharaj accepted the dhuti together with the sandalwood paste and the note with pleasure. He gave the note to a Vaishnava monk sitting beside him and asked him to see what was written on it. The monk said, "It reads, Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya." Sri Sri Kunjodas Babaji then said, "Yes, yes, it is him, Sri Sri Nitai Chaitanya. He is ours. Please request him come once to this mart." Mr. Sarkar replied, "He doesn't descend from hilltop, nor has he any sign to do so." Sri Sri Das Babaji Maharaj said, "You won't realize. We are realizing that he understands everything. He will come here when it will be time." Sri Sri Kunjodas Babaji Maharaj wore the dhoti given by Sri Sri Thakur. One of the disciples is carefully preserving the writing of Thakur still today. Mahanta Maharaj, the great worshipper of God, gave him the name of Nitai Chaitanya. Srila Madhav Maharaj has paid due respect to the name given by Mahanta Maharaj. More than 200 young people were inspired by Thakur to leave home. Some look upon him as Thakur Sri Sri Ramakrishna, some as Sri Sri Hari Purush, Jagat Bandhu Sundar, friend of the universe who had appeared for salvation of mankind. Many again believe him to be Sri Sri Nitai and Chaitanya themselves. Therefore, unless he himself favors us, it is impossible either to describe who his more loving devotee is or to determine what his true nature is. However, once, while absorbed in profound meditation, that is in a state of samadhi, he expressed the song of the Math, where he was kind enough to manifest his identity. He sang for common people with a note of assurance. Udoy Harinam, Udoy Brojodham, Udoy Nitai Chaitanya re, আজিকে এক দেহে বহু বিরহ সয়ে হয়েছে মিলন এ ধন্য রে। নীলাচলে ঠাঁই পেল না নিতাই, তাই তো এক দেহে এসেছে দুনো ভাই। পুষ্পবন্ত গৌড়দয়ে তাই অভিনব অনন্য রে। পরালো নামমালা জুড়ালো জীব জ্বালা, ধন্য হলো জনমনরে। বহালো সবাকার নয়নে প্রেমধার, ভাসালো জাতিকুল মান রে। শুনো গো গৃহবাসী, শুনো হে সন্ন্যাসী, কোথায় মিছি কাঁদি বেড়াও অন্বেষী। শাস্ত্র সাধু গুরু অনুভবে রসি, পেয়েছি চির ব্রজারণ্য রে। When translated, it means, after the painful segregation, Sri Sri Nityananda and Chaitanya have been unified in one blessed whole. At Nilachal, Nityananda had no place, so the two brothers have reappeared in Gaur in one form, like two flowers on a single stalk. It is something novel and unique. Their presence has made all free from agony by way of giving solace. Distressed human souls have felt gratified by the Krishna Nam advocated by him. Irrespective of caste and creed, he made all people cry for love. Therefore, both the householders and the sannyasi should keep in mind it is useless to cry elsewhere for devotional quest. All scriptures, saints, and gurus have merged into him.